Today in crypto. Bitcoin plunged as low as $34,500 on top spot exchanges last hour as selling pressure picked up ahead of the weekly close. The cryptocurrency fell as low as $35,000 on futures exchanges as well, though spot sellers were leading the correction. While some began to fear that a deeper correction was in store, buyers stepped in at key technical levels. The cryptocurrency has since bounced to $38,000 as of this article's writing. A crypto asset analyst shared the chart seen below in the wake of the bounce, noting how Bitcoin held key technical levels during the drop. The chart shows that Bitcoin's BitMEX market maintained the $35,000 support, along with a number of other moving averages that have held quite well over the past few weeks. Bitcoin is currently trying to defend against an intense drop below $39,000, proving to be a slight support level for the cryptocurrency. The intensity and speed of its decline appears to be picking up steam following the prolonged decline below $40,000. This was previously a strong support level for the. One analyst is now noting that miner selling pressure may place continued pressure on Bitcoin's price and cause it to see a slight downtrend in the short term. At the time of writing, is trading down just over 5% at its current price of $38,200. This marks a notable decline from recent highs of $41,500 that were set under a day ago. The crypto's early morning break below $40,000 placed some serious pressure on it and caused it to see a decline that is rapidly accelerating. Unless it can hold $38,000 as support, there's a strong possibility that it faces further selling pressure in the near term. One analyst in a recent tweet that selling pressure from miners appears to be behind this decline. He notes that he is flipping short on for the time being due to this trend amongst miners. The coming few days should provide investors with serious insight into whether these miner outflows will be enough to stop its uptrend. Bitcoin plunged as low as $34,500 on Bitstamp just minutes ago as buying pressure finally began to subside heading into the weekend. After peaking at $42,000 late last week, the cryptocurrency's price action began to taper off heading into the weekend. This culminated in a strong flush lower over the past few hours that brought the leading cryptocurrency from the $40,000 region to lows at around $34,500 on some exchanges. There appears to have been a large divergence between the price of Bitcoin on spot exchanges versus the price of Bitcoin on futures exchanges. It appears that there were spot sellers leading the dip, resulting in this divergence, as those on the futures market began to bet on a rebound. This is made apparent by the high futures funding rate. The funding rate is the fee that long positions pay short positions on a recurring basis to ensure the price of the futures around that of the spot market. Crypto asset analysts argue that there is too much panic over this one move. One noted that the cryptocurrency is now only trading at prices seen 4 to 5 days ago. Others note that the ongoing bounce seen in the Bitcoin price is a sign that there remains buying pressure on the sidelines that should maintain current price levels. The incoming Biden administration's plan to flood the U.S. economy with trillions of dollars could ignite the next leg of the Bitcoin (BTC) bull market, as more investors seek refuge from a crumbling United States dollar. Axios, an Arlington-based news outlet, reported Thursday that Joe Biden has asked Congress to provide Americans with $2,000 in stimulus payments to help offset the economic devastation of COVID-19. The incoming president has also proposed a $3 trillion tax and infrastructure package as part of his Build Back Better program. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. The exponential growth of the decentralized finance sector increased activity on the Ethereum blockchain, and this has resulted in slow transaction times and incredibly high fees. In the last month, Ether, ETH, price has also rallied more than 100%, and gas fees are on the rise again as demand for ETH and a resurgence in the DeFi sector accelerates. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.